What is good? What is good? What is good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the Opportunity Plug. Hi, you? What's goody? What's good? Hey guys, I want to take some time out to shoot a video today, and I wanted to talk about, why it's best to start an online business, especially in, now in today's age. Especially with technology, that's the number one thing. With technology changing, a lot of jobs are being lost. A lot of businesses, closer, right there. A lot of businesses are being shut down and they're having to close up, so that leaves a lot of people out of work. And people are not understanding exactly what's going on out here. So that's why, I've been involved in online marketing, things like that, affiliate marketing, simply because it allows me to create an income at my own will. Let me kind of get my camera focused here. So once you actually learn and understand that, there's eventually finding a product, we show you how to find products, or finding a company or a program which that you find that you would like to promote. And what happens is that when you share that company or that information with other people, the company pays you a certain amount of percentage. So sometimes it's 100%, sometimes it's 50%, 25%, 5%. It just really depends on what you choose, that best suits you. So yes, that's why I always tell people, find something that allows you to do this, because things are changing and that's just the way it goes, and with the program that I chose to be involved in, because it's also teaching you about your finances and how to invest your funds, and then there's people that's investing their money, building their capital up, and then boom, now they're involved in real estate, and things like that. So, I know the direction and I know what creates generational wealth. And this company that I'm involved in allows me to do that, because it's teaching me about how important your credit is, how to go and get things removed off and get your credit back up. So then that way, if you want to go and get some property, now you can get a loan to get some property, So that's why I say, man, things like that is what you want to be involved in, because it's going to teach you something in the long haul, especially, let's just say, it's teaching you about taxes, and it's teaching you how to, remove things off your credit. Teaching you about credit repair as well. So, if you're learning how to not take things off your credit report, and then you're showing others how to do it, what else is going to happen? Eventually, people are going to be like, hey, can you do mine? Can you do mine? And you turn that into a legit business now. You can actually remove people's credit. Remove negative items off people's credit. So that's why I say, man, you have to find something that you like and love. And me, I was involved in the credit union. I worked at 2 credit unions where I was a teller for both, and got promoted to be a loan officer, where I was able to pull people's credit and do loans and stuff. Man, people, you would not understand, man, the negative effects that people get, and the things that they can't do. I've seen moms and wives have divorces, and they try to go get some credit and then they can't. It's crazy, man. Then she's all hurt and messed up and on a car, and then she have to go to the buy here, pay here. Then you have to go to the buy here, pay here. And those buy here, pay here's, man, they charge. Woo-wee. I'm in Missouri, so it's 21% interest rate. So 21% interest, man, you're paying for something double the time, 2 times. Who wants to do something like that? Having bad credit costs you more than anything. So guys, I know you've actually, been somewhere, tried to get a loan, and they say, nope, can't do it. Like a Best Buy or something, you're like, okay, I want this TV very bad, and I want to see if they'll finance me for it, do the 90 days, same as cash. Then they run your credit and they say, sorry, they can't do it. I know you get tired of stuff like that. Start building your credit back up, If you work a 9 to 5, we're going to teach you how to put money back in your pocket from that 9 to 5. So we're going to show you that the only thing that you need to do is fill out your W-4 the correct way, that we're going to show you how to do it, because once you are a home-based business owner, you're able to unlock more allowances, which allows you to eventually, bring home more money on your paycheck and utilize more, opens up more deductions when you file your taxes, because you're a home-based business owner. We give you all the things that you can do, especially when you are home-based business owners, like hiring your children, and pretty much saying that your business paid them, so you can get that as a tax write-off. There's so much that you're going to learn when you're part of the business that we're involved in. And it's in the United States. It's only for the United States. So, if you're overseas and you're watching this, guys, there's another thing that I'm going to have at the bottom. where you could able to earn unlimited $250 commissions, and that's more for international, worldwide. So definitely this is only for the United States what I'm speaking about. But we pay out every Friday. You're able to get paid off of your downline as well, so the people you bring in, and then you're able to get commissions off of their sales. I don't want to go too deep into the comp plan, because the thing is about the comp plan is that I'd rather you hear it the same way I heard it, because it's so deep. There's so many ways you can get paid, and I'll be sitting here for the next 10-15 minutes breaking down the comp plans and the different ranks and all the ways that you get paid, because there's so many ways you get paid, and that's the beauty of this business. So why should you join? If you join in, if you're just looking to get your credit repair, then guys, we have a product where you can just purchase, the credit repair and start fixing your credit. Or if you want to just, do the W-4 training, we have that as well. So you don't have to build a business. If you decide that you want to build a business with this, we're going to actually give you access to marketing systems. You're going to have access to 6 and 7 figure earners in our group, where they're going to do trainings for us every Sunday night, and we do a hangout every Thursday night, which we close your sales for you and your prospects. So we living over here, baby. We living. Shout out again to network marketing, man. Shout out to affiliate marketing, because it's been able to pay for a lot of things for me and my family. As far as out to eat, vehicles, car payments, man, you name it. I mean, you gotta start doing something. Don't keep watching all our videos. Oh, this looks good, or then get mad this is a scam. It's only a scam because you think it's a scam. Things are totally different. I've shot a video about affiliate marketing, stating how affiliate marketing works. If you don't understand it, reference back to that video as I went to Foot Action. Foot Action, you can go and pretty much scroll to the bottom of their thing, and it's gonna say be an affiliate. And when you go and someone shops on your website, you're gonna get a commission. So I don't understand. Best Buy, they do the same thing, guys. So should you join affiliate, some type of business? Why should you join my business? Because you're going to learn how to fix your credit. You're going to learn how to increase your paycheck money, the money at your job. You're going to learn all the investment tips, where we're not going to tell you what to invest in. We're going to show you things and how you should do things when it comes to your funds. We're going to show you how you actually get dividends off these funds. And if you don't know what dividends is that when you invest your money in something, it pays you back quarterly, monthly, semi-annually, things like that. Okay? So I'm just throwing something out there for you guys to kind of understand how how things work. Is that it's not always, they pay out every month. This is that. So that's why I want to break it down. So there's different companies that do dividends, in their own time frames. So we're going to show you about all of this, guys. So here's the thing. I'm going to leave a link at the bottom for you to check it out. Definitely click that link so you can see what's going on. You're going to have access to 2 sponsors. Actually, me and my fiance, we are EVP Platinums in this company here. We have over 100 people in our organization. So we would love to have you on board as well. So guys, I'm going to wrap the video on up. This is your boy Jay. Have a beautiful and blessed day. So again, if you're interested in earning over $100, I'm going to say this because we have people making anywhere between $50,000 to $10,000 a week. Okay, so if you're gonna stop and if you're gonna let a $50 investment and then a recurring monthly $34 a month, it's no contract at all. It's just you're gonna have access to all these products that's gonna be able to help you out. It's a financial literacy program. So we're not gonna make you do anything, but we would love to have you aboard. Again, you're gonna have access to 2 sponsors. We're definitely gonna be able to help you out and get you going. So guys, hope you have a beautiful and blessed day. Definitely join the business. It's $50. It's only $50 and $34 a month after that. Is your future worth that? Or is that at the club? Or is that out drinking at the bar? Or is that out spending money? I don't know. You tell me. Alright? So I'm gonna wrap this video on up. This your boy Jay. Hope you guys have a beautiful and blessed day. Until the next one, peace.